Worked example. Symmetry is when a shape can be divided into two halves facing opposite directions using a straight line. The straight line that divides that shape into two similar halves facing opposite directions is called the line of symmetry. Some shapes do not have a line of symmetry. A parallelogram does not have a line of symmetry. It does not have a line that when folded on, one half of it lies exactly on the other half. Some shapes have one line of symmetry, for example, an isosceles triangle, a triangle with two equal sides. Other shapes have more than one line of symmetry. A hexagon has two lines of symmetry. A square has four lines of symmetry. Note that both 2D and 3D objects can have lines of symmetry. Some real-life objects have lines of symmetry. Which of the following objects have lines of symmetry? A rectangular table has two lines of symmetry. A car has one line of symmetry. A hand does not have a line of symmetry. Human has one line of symmetry.
Need more help? Ask Mesky to make it easy. And let the maths finally start mathing.